Hey everyone, so welcome back to this on Salesforce Health Cloud tutorial. So in the old session, we are talked about some basic uh, terms about what is Health Cloud and some basic configuration for using the Health Cloud. And after that, we are talked about the basic permissions to we need to give the user. And in this video, we are talking about what is the care team in Health Cloud, what are the care team members, why they are important in Health Cloud, and how to add a care team member and all of these things we are covering in this video. So let's Okay, so let me just clarify. The first thing is that what is the care team in Health Cloud? So the care team is a group of people who look after the patient together. Okay, it indicates like doctors, nurses, specialists, coordinators, and family members or anyone who involved in the patient's care. Okay, and the care coordination is. The care coordination is all about making sure these people work together smoothly. Okay, so these are the brief concept of what is the care team. Okay, and now one question in your mind is that why at the care team members, why do we need the care team members in sales club? So let me just explain. So a patient might see the different healthcare providers. Okay, sometime they may be outside from your organization. Okay, so adding care team member helps to keep everyone informed and coordinated. Okay, and it makes sure that the patient gets the best care, because all the caretakers can see update and information in one place. Okay, so this is the reason why we need to advocate team member in the patient's care. Okay, the next is how to access the care coordination and care plan setting in Salesforce. So from setup, uh, please write care plan here and click on the care plan setting, and this setting should be enabled in your org. Okay, this setting should be enabled in your org to create or manage the care plans. Okay, because if it is not available, you are not able to see the care plan application in your organization, so this must be enabled. So please make sure this is enabled in your org. Okay, and yeah, one thing, if we are enabling this option, we are able to see one more application is called care coordination. Okay, so please enable this. And let me just explain one example. Okay, so let me just open the patient, like Charles Green. Okay, so what I am doing in this, I am adding the care member here for this patient to keep health this patient. Okay, so let me just Okay, so this is the patient record, and when you click on all care plan, it will show all of the care plan for this patient. Okay, so for example, I have created this care plan, diabetes and senior health care plan for this patient. Okay, when you expand this, you will see a option here. Please click on care team first, care team subtab first, and after that you will see an option here like add care team member. Okay, so if you know the person name, if you know the person name, okay, so if you know the person name here, just write down the name. I am not like David. Search Okay, let me just open something other. Okay, so for example, this will list all of the care team member here. The list out is here, so you can add the care team member for the patient care, like care coordinator, or in this example I have seen only care coordinator here, but you can see cardiologist, or let me just show you. User. Okay, so you can see all of the members here, like sales rep, care coordinator, okay, HR, and all customer person account. Or if you have more, you can see all the users in this list. Okay, based on the user's permission, you will see the users here. Okay, so this is the way you can add the care team member here. And this is the options for the care team role, like what type of role you want to add for the patients here, like cardiologist, care coordinator, okay, and all of these patients, schedule specialist, whatever you want, you give the role from here. Okay, so this is the way to add the care team member to the care plan. So this is the internal option. Here we have one another option is excuse me. This is the create external member. So if we want to add, let me just explain some example. Sometimes a specialist or doctor may not be a part of your organization, right? So you can add the external member by entering their contact detail, okay, like phone number, email, or their full name or whatever. Okay, so this is the way specialist from the other clinic can be a part of this care plan. So uh, how can we do this? We click on create external number. If you create here, like for example, I have created uh, Smith, like Mr. Smith. Okay, I am giving Smith John. Okay, so let me just enter dummy number here. I don't know if this is correct or not, but just for an example, Smith John at the rate test.com. Okay, so when we click, uh, let me just open first the patient's record, so we can ensure health cloud lightning console. Okay, so go to the patients. Okay, so whenever we create a external user and add this to our care plan, so this external member information will be see in patient's record. Okay, so it is creating like a person account. Okay, so I am going to save it. Okay, I am assigned it to as specialist. Add. It should be visible here. Let me just refresh it. Yes, the Mr. Smith John is created here. Okay, and this member is yeah. Oops. Let me just open. Okay, so you can see here, Mr. Smith John is adding in our care plan. Okay, so this is the way you can add a care team member. uh, it is not matter it is internal user or it is an external member. We can obviously we can add the external member. Okay, whether it is not in your org, we can add the external member, and the external member information we can see in the person accounts information. Okay, it will be saved here. Okay, let me just okay, so this is the way we can how we can add a new member, new care team member, whether it is internal or external doesn't matter. Okay, so the next is why it is important. Okay, we are creating sorry we are adding care team member, we are creating external care team member in for the better care of the patients. So now this is the question why it is important, why we are not working without the care team member. So let me just explain. It is important because good care coordination means that the uh, patients caretakers share the information effectively. Okay, so just for example, a family doctor, specialist, or a nurse all stay informed about the patient's treatment. Okay, so this prevent the mistakes. Okay, reduce delays and improve the overall health experience. Okay, in some countries like New Zealand, understanding care coordination is helpful because healthcare is sometimes split between the different providers. Okay, so it may be conflict. So suppose if you are going some out of your organizations care team member like a doctor, if you are going to a doctor which is not in your organization, this is an external. So, what is the main role of that health cloud here is that the external cloud member always informed and coordinated with the patient historical data. It tracking progress. Okay, what medicines and etc. Okay, so all of this today we have covered all of these things in this video. Okay, so let me just summarize it, what we discussed in this video. So the care team member, care team feature in a health club lets you add and manage all of the people involved in a patient's care. Okay, if they are outside, doesn't matter if they are outside of your organization. This helps work together and more effectively to care of the patients. Okay, and work together for better uh, patient's health. Okay, so this is all about the care team and care team members. So okay, and I hope this will helps you to understand better, make the concepts better. Thank you.